Hello, welcome to WMW's weekly newscast, bringing you the global waste management headlines. Coming up, first RDF fired at Viridor's 850,000-tonne Runcorn waste-to-energy plant, Rumpke on the economic benefits of material recycling, $75 million waste management contract for Sena in Edmonton, Canada, and Defra calls for evidence on RDF exports. Viridor has begun using refuse-derived fuel for full commissioning at its 70-megawatt waste-to-energy plant in Runcorn, near Manchester, UK. The facility, which will process some 850,000 tonnes of RDF each year, will also generate 51 megawatts of heat. All of the heat and power produced by the facility will be used to supply the adjacent Ineos Claw site with around 20% of its total energy requirements. While commissioning of Phase 1 of the facility began in January this year, Viridor said that the first burn, using RDF, signals the final stages prior to the site becoming fully operational. Phase 2 is scheduled to start accepting RDF later this year, with takeover of the entire facility expected in late 2014. Cincinnati, Ohio-based Rumpke Recycling has published a video highlighting some of the economic benefits of recycling. The company also looks at how the advent of single-stream recycling, combined with high-tech material recycling facilities, has helped increase recycling rates.
10,000 tons of waste that goes to a landfill, you create one job. For every 10,000 tons you can recycle, you create between 8 to 10 jobs. And that multiplies itself. You know, we have over 100 employees here in Cincinnati based on recycling materials that were at one time going to the waste stream. What a great story.
In the early days, we separated everything at the curb. So all of the 2 liters went in one section of the truck, all the glass by color went in a different section, the newspaper went in its own section.
We don't want people to think it's too difficult to recycle. That's one of the reasons that we implemented single stream recycling, to make it easier for our customers. You just, put it in the bin all together. You don't have to separate it.
To see the whole film, head over to Rumpke's YouTube channel. Sena Waste Services, a subsidiary of Suez Environment North America, has won a contract with the City of Edmonton, Canada, to operate and maintain 2 key portions of the Edmonton Waste Management Centre. The company said that the contract is worth around $75 million over its 5-year term. The Edmonton Waste Management Centre is a collection of city-owned waste processing and research facilities, and is said to be one of the largest collection of its type in North America. Under the new agreement, Sena will maintain and operate the Edmonton composting facility. It will also provide maintenance support services for the integrated process and transfers facility, as well as for the construction waste facility. The UK Government's Department for Environment, Farming and Rural Affairs has launched a call for evidence in order to assess the impact of exporting RDF. The department said that the aim of the call for evidence is to find out what the sector sees as the biggest concerns in the RDF market and how those might be managed. The key areas where Defra is aiming to expand its understanding of the situation are how the fuel is made and who uses it, what the barriers are to domestic use, and what action, if any, is needed from the government. The department also questioned whether there is a need for a common standard for RDF production, a topic we'll be looking at more closely in the March-April issue. For WMW, I'm Ben Messenger. Thanks for watching.